Now I want you to slowly move to the meditative state. You can sit comfortably. Make sure your spine is straight. You can release your Hasta Mudra and simply listen to this music. Give me a thumbs up if my voice is absolutely clear. Right, perfect. Close your eyes, relax. Simply be with the music. Completely relax yourself. Release the tension if you have at your chest region. Relax. Relax your shoulders. Completely relax. Release the tension from your neck. Relax your neck. This is a very happy music. I want you to just feel it. And let your subconscious bring a memory up in your mind when you were very happy. Can you bring that memory up? A very recent memory when you were very happy. Can you replay that time, that moment again right now? And now I want you to gently go back into your memory, maybe a few years ago, that you were so happy, so joyous. You celebrated. What was that memory? Can you bring it up? Can you play some dialogues in your mind from that day in your life? And now, can you gently go back when you were a child? Let your subconscious bring up a memory where you were so happy, so joyful. Allow your consciousness to bring up such happy moments for you. And now I want you to gently place your right hand at the center of your chest. And I want you to thank the armed forces of this country, because of whom we stay happy in our homes. Can you show some gratitude from deep within? You are safe, you're secured because of these soldiers fighting out there. We are able to eat, talk to our family, talk to our neighbors, and do whatever we can because someone out there is sacrificing every day for us. Can you say thank you from your heart? Even if you're miles away from them, I know our message will reach them, because at energy level we are all one. Say thank you to all those sacrifices that we can't even imagine. The sleepless nights they have so that we can sleep peacefully. I want you to take a moment and thank them from the bottom of your heart. Can you send some positive energy from your heart to them right now? They are holding their breaths so that we can breathe deeply. With that thought, I want you to bring both your hands into Namaste in front of your chest and repeat after me. I'm truly grateful that I'm safe, I'm secured. No matter what, I will be taken care of. No matter what, my family will be taken care of. I'm truly, truly grateful to our army, to our navy, to our air force. And now, gently rub your hands, rub your palms. Make it a little faster. Generate some heat. And now, place both your hands on your closed eyes. Feel that energy. And gently bring your hands in front of your face, open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. All right, so I thought we should pay some gratitude, and that just came out, and I hope it was good. Just give me a thumbs up that yes, you felt good, right? Wow, wonderful.